Let me show you how to hide apps and also how to install secret apps that no one can actually find on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So first, if you want to simply hide apps from your apps list or the home screen essentially, so once you actually pull it up, you can click these three dots here, click settings, and you see you have this option here, hide apps on home and app screen. And then you can, for example, select the apps you want to hide basically. And yeah, once you select them, basically click done, and they will get hidden essentially from this list over here. Then also, these apps, if you actually go through the like settings, through the, like where do we have the apps? So basically over here, you will actually still see that they are actually installed on your tablet. So what if you want to actually install maybe some secret apps that you don't want maybe show to anyone, or again, yeah, stuff like that. So you see, we can simply go in the settings and we can essentially create this secure folder where we can install those apps, and they will be only accessible using a pin code or pattern or whatever you set. And again, no one will be able to see them that you have them. So, okay, so in the security and privacy, click here, and so where do we have it? Okay, in the security and privacy tab, basically if you click it, you will be able to see more security settings here, and once you launch that, click on this secure folder here. Click continue, and we have to set it up. This might take up to half a minute, so simply wait till you finish creating it. Okay, next set your lock for it. So maybe let's set a pin code so you can unlock it. Okay, you can click this don't allow is the most secure way. So yeah. Okay. And also make sure to select this if you also want the app in the secure folder to be able to run in the background. So while the folder is not open, maybe you want some messenger to run in the background. So again, make sure to allow this if you need that. Okay. Yep. And I see you have basically the secure folder. So over here, so you see you can also like hide some pictures, videos, some special contacts, even browse internet privately, or also use camera privately. So for example, you see you can, okay, so you can take picture here, for example, and that picture will get stored in this special like gallery. So again, you won't be able to actually access it from the main gallery or stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to install the apps, you can simply press this plus button here, and then we simply have to like yeah, select either maybe you want like a second copy of the app, so you can also do that, or simply click on Play Store or Galaxy Store, and you'll be able to download those apps basically from that store, and they will basically appear here basically in the secure folder, and you'll be able to launch them. So also if you want to basically access the secure folder, so you see if you swipe up, you have this new application appear, secure folder. But also if you want to hide that you have such thing, you can go in the secure folder and click these three dots here and click hide secure folder, and it will get removed from that apps list essentially. So yeah. Also, yeah, if you want maybe like get rid of that secure folder completely, you can go back in the secure folder essentially, and more settings, and uninstall basically, and it will wipe everything from that secure folder. Also like delete all those apps as well and everything inside them. Okay, good luck.